Poland Trompis Ndanya, former Bafana player, Kaizer Chiefs and Orlando Parade. And Sevutha like David Tony, Esnaba Stadium, Bafwetu. And Tanu Bonga Bongi build it first for when the Labantana Beti Ipola Letu, like Snaba Stadium, build it under 13. Remember, songs we are Konalana Bafwetu. Mean if you mention a lot of players, this is a development with Abantana Beti Melesba Kutaze. And I mean, I'm happy to associate myself in a build it. And again, in Gauteng sports recreation, now was Kasile Bafwetu, was Niga medal, was Niga trophy, and build it. A lot of things is happening also. What's going to happen now? We're going to play semi-final now, which is the first semi-final. This other semi-final is going to come in. And I think Foster Stars is playing with, I think, 7 stars. What's going to happen? Like, it's going to be a massive. We've got celebrities which are coming now. I don't want to mention now. You'll see Bazabaniga medals, whereby now Zabukona. And also the vibe, you can see the vibe is happening. It's December time. Everyone is having fun. People, they are coming drinking Coca-Cola, everything. But we don't allow liquor here. It's not healthy for our youth. We don't need that. But again, if Vibe Corner, not DJ Tux, he's here. Also, Ipildit is here. There's massive, you can see, and I invited other celebrities like us. They are coming also. And then is it also is it only soccer or it's soccer? Netball? No. Netball. Netball. We cannot neglect Abantwana ladies. There's netball which is playing that side, but also currently maybe we can go and watch the maybe medals, whatever. But netball is playing at understand the finally netball is says but also this side will be a final, I think, half past 3 to 4. Because of the final under 13. Massive winners, one massive. We will be having the amateur trophy first prize, a big trophy, man of the match, kuna matches, the kit for Antwana Beta finalist. They will be having a kit. Same applies to netball, they will be the same thing. And for the secret, understand, good of an voucher. Hopefully voucher will see, we'll hear from Mama bosses if voucher, and maybe we will be maybe because of a voucher with a pair we go and buy maybe school shoes whatsoever. We don't know, but we'll hear from the boss from building to what's gonna happen. So let me ask for someone who would like to partake in this kind of festival or tournament, what are the prerequisites? Yeah, no, normally we associate ourselves with SAFA. We're doing tournament very professional. You must remember, SAFA is a mother body. We cannot go past Elena. It's SAFA. First thing, whatever intoyens are you through SAFA. Nalabantana Bazana Laguna Makat with SAFA, they're well registered, everything is professional. We urge all the players that are playing currently must be registered in the SAFA and come and play with us. Because SAFA, once you are registered in the SAFA, you're known everywhere. Everything ends in the SAFA. But the Poland Festive Games is registered with SAFA and in partnership with SAFA. All Labantana Balana are registered in the SAFA. So probably Easter we're going to do another tournament. And obviously my number is here, maybe through SAFA. My number is 082-694-3652. If you want to call me for my Easter, maybe you can do it step by step, see register in the SAFA. Or you bring your team, we come and call me, then we'll take it from there. Okay, no, thank you so much. That is the Total TV. We'll be watching the whole game up until the finale. And yeah, we enjoy the vibe. Thank you, Total TV. We appreciate it. Thank you. God bless you.